Hey guys! Today we're unboxing a servo motor. It's called the MG996R. As you can see, I had opened the package right at the post office to verify the contents of the parcel. The last letter R in the model name indicates that the servo can rotate continuously, meaning it can spin 360 degrees. I mean without any limitations. The servo comes with several horns. The movement is transmitted through these horns, which are attached to the servo's output shaft. Depending on the shape of the horn, whether it's a 2-arm, 4-arm, 6-arm or round type, you can connect it to parts of the robot that need to move. As the servo rotates, the horn moves accordingly, allowing you to precisely control the position of different components in the robot. The servo has weight 55 grams, size 41, 20, 43 mm, and metal gears that produce a torque of 9.4 kg/cm at 4.8 volts. At the bottom, there are screws that can be unscrewed to disassemble the servo. I will be using this servo in my upcoming project and see how it performs.